It's a WAZER Waterjet cutter, which you may have already seen in my last video. It's going to be a super handy machine and pretty exciting. I could easily do this on the lathe, but it'll be a good test piece to try out the WAZER. It seems pretty straightforward following the prompts on the control panel, and here I'm setting the height of the nozzle. It's a simple part, but it did an awesome job. I just need to file off the tabs. It's easy enough to line the multiple parts up in the WAZER software, choose the material and then save the file to an SD card. This really is going to save some time while it was doing its thing, which was about 20 minutes or so. I spent the time tidying up the workshop to keep the project moving along efficiently. A great job, but I reckon I could have made these tabs a bit smaller and then I'd be able to just break these off. Now I need to cut them out, but that won't be too difficult. And the holes as well, I don't think I needed a tab on those. I could have just cut those completely around. I'm just laying them out to check them and make sure that the radius is correct. It looks pretty good, so I can route out the recess for them, but before I do that, I'll cut some small pieces that will hold the ends down and cover the joins, and I'll make those from this 1.5mm brass sheet. They're basically the same as the last parts, but much smaller, so I'll quickly get them done, and this time I'll apply what I learned from those and make the tab smaller and finish the holes. Super happy with it, and it's another piece to decorate the workshop. Casting a 3D print for the hub or even metal spinning may have been a better option, but I really enjoyed making the design come to life using problem solving and any method I could think of. Hopefully you like it and it inspires you in some way.